Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all of you will be fine, and I am today also fine. So let's start the topic, that is narration. And when we talk about narration, then three types of sentences you have watched in videos: how to change into indirect form of speech. Then today starts our topic, how do we change exclamatory sentence into indirect speech. Okay, so it is time for exclamatory. If anybody else asks you what is the identification of exclamatory sentence, what is the sense of exclamatory sentence? In exclamatory sentence, you will find the sense of distress, happiness, joy, boldness. This type of sense you will find. मतलब आपको सेंटेंस में खुशी होती है, दुख होता है, सरप्राइज होता है, बोल्डनेस बहादुरी मिलती है, और कभी कभी हेट घृणा भी मिलती है, नफरत भी मिलती है. तो when this sense has a sentence, then the sentence is exclamatory. And the strong feelings of heart is also shown here. स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग्स भी यहां पर शो होती है. तो इस तरह के जो सेंटेंस हैं, दिस टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंसेस आर कॉल्ड एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस. हिंदी में हम इनको विस्मय बोधक बोलते हैं. विस्मय मीन्स आश्चर्य. तो सेंटेंस किस तरीके से शुरू होते हैं, देखिए इस तरीके से आपको डायरेक्ट स्पीच दी जाती है. एंड दिस इज रिपोर्टेड स्पीच, एंड बिफोर इन्वर्टेड कॉमा दिस इज रिपोर्टेड. सो इन रिपोर्टेड स्पीच, if in reported speech रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में आपको यू आर गिवन errors. When you are given errors and after that mark of exclamation, this is the mark of exclamation. Okay, when you are given interjection errors, it means sorrow is shown in this sentence. The sense of sorrow is given in this sentence. If you are given errors, then the sense of sorrow is given in the sentence. तो सेंटेंस में sorrow की सेंस है, दुख का भाव है, डिस्ट्रेस है. ओके, when you are given the word hooray, and this is the main identification that in exclamatory sentence you are given the mark of exclamation. ओके, दिस मार्क ऑफ एक्सक्लेमेशन डेफिनेटली आपको दिया जाता है एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस। When you are given the sense of, you are given the word hooray and after that mark of exclamation, it means you are given the sense of happiness, the sense of joy. Then oh wow, it is the sense of surprise and wonder. Clear? Through these words, the given sense is wonder or surprise. When you are given bravo, bravo is an exclamation of boldness. ब्रेवो वर्ड किसको? बोल्डनेस को, बहादुरी को शो करता है। एंड व्हेन यू आर गिवन फाइव, इट इज अ वर्ड दैट शोज हेट। ये नफरत को शो करता है, ये हेट को शो करता है। सो these types of sense you are given in reported speech. Okay, this sentence starts with such type of words and after that the mark of exclamation is given, then definitely it is clear that the given sentence is exclamatory. So watch very carefully, look at the blackboard. How do we change this type of sentence into indirect form of speech? See here. This type of words is given to you in reported speech. When in reported speech you are given errors. When in reported speech you are given errors, then reporting verb verb set or set would be changed into exclaim with so. When reported speech you are given errors, then reporting verb said or said to would be changed into exclaimed with sorrow. Then we write here in this style set up. Would be changed like this. किस तरीके से चेंज की जाएगी? If you are given errors, then for errors exclaim with so. When you are given hooray, then exclaim with joy, oh wow, exclaim, with wonder, yeah, surprise, if you are given bravo, then exclaim with applauded, exclaim with applauded or approval. And if you are given 5, then exclaim with contempt, exclaim in place of inverted commas, in place of inverted commas we put that, we use the word that, and then removing the interjection as hooray, we change the sentence into indirect. Form of speech. Okay, having necessity rules, we change the sentence into indirect form of speech. Then watch the example. अब आप लोग एग्जाम्पल को देखिए. एग्जाम्पल the players said, comma, inverted commas begins, hooray, mark of exclamation, we have won the match. The players said, hooray, we have won the match. In this type of sentence, you are given the interjection hooray. यहां पर आपको हुर्रे दिया गया है, and it is a symbol of joyous, it is a symbol of happiness. So if we are given hooray, then sad or sad to would be changed exclaim with joy. Clear? If we are given hooray, then sad or sad to would be changed into exclaim with joy. So the players said, exclaim with joy. in place of inverted commas that, and in place of inverted commas that, and then removing एलास शुड रहे, इनको फिर हम हटा देते हैं. क्लियर? आफ्टर दैट वी is the pronoun of first person would be changed according to the subject of reporting speech, that is players, means more than one. So plural and we put here they. Clear? Have won means tense. Which is the tense is given here? कौन सा tense यहाँ पर हमें दिया गया है? Has है plus third form of the verb, that is present perfect. Okay? And said or said to is in past tense. Then here we apply rule number 2. If reporting verb is in past tense, then reported speech would be in past. Okay? So had been past perfect, had won the match. Had won the match. Clear? This was the first type of exclamatory sentence through these rules, by the help of these rules, you can change exclamatory sentence into indirect speech. Okay? Then look some examples. The example is my friend said alas my mother died so. ये आपको सेंटेंस है. माय मदर डाइड सो सून. तो माय फ्रेंड said or said to would be changed into exclaim with sorrow. Exclaim with sorrow. In place of inverted commas that alas will be removed. My mother, then here is the pronoun my, according to my friend he, and his possessive case his mother. Here is died, second form of the verb, and reporting verb is also in past. So past indefinite will be changed into past perfect. Had died. Had died. So. Clear? Like this, you can change the sentence into indirect speech. The second type of the exclamatory sentence, when the strong feeling of heart is given, the second type. Sentence is started with how and what. After that you are given an adjective or a noun and the mark of exclamation. subject plus helping verb, and here you are given acceleration. This is the structure of given sentence. So how to change it? Set or set to would be changed into exclaim. In place of inverted commas, we put that, and after this subject plus helping verb according to the roles, and what and how would be changed into very and great. And then we put exact verb. Now, example. Said or said to be changed into exclaim in place of inverted commas that, and this subject is kept here and helping verb accordingly means according to the roles, and what and how do we change into very and great. See an example. एग्जाम्पल देखिए, सेंटेंस में आपको कहा गया a girl said, comma inverted commas begins what a beautiful rainbow it is. A girl said, what a beautiful rainbow it is. Then what? The sentence starts with what? After that you are given an adjective. Clear? Rainbow is the noun and it is subject and it is helping verb. So, how do we change it? A girl exclaim. You can also write exclaim with wonder in place of inverted commas that it third person no change is am was changed into was because reporting verb is in past tense. It was a. What is changed into very beautiful rain. Okay, so these are the two types of exclamatory sentence, and through these roles you can convert it into indirect form of speech. Okay, so the time is over, and I will also send in the group an exercise of direct speech related to 4 sentences: assertive, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. Okay, take care and be safe. Okay, see you tomorrow.